So here we go, another John vid. First let me crank up. Gotta secure this cause it's broke, secured, good, sweet. Now let's draw. Going off with an eye first. Get some shade in there. Some shade, what I wanna draw. I got it, I wanna draw a squid. So start turning into like a little squid thing. Got my arms in. Some more arms or legs. I don't know whether they call them arms or legs. Yeah. Little definition. Start making my lines a little bolder. Some bolder lines. The action fighter squid. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Sure, I think I'm about done. Cool.